Hi guys, we are going to discuss about double fertilization today in this video. So before we proceed, we first know two important terms. One is angiosperm and the another one is gymnosperm. So angiosperms, these are the group of plants which are called as flowering plants, meaning the plants which have the flowers or which bear flower. And the gymnosperm are the group of plants, they don't have flower. Okay, so angiosperms, like the different plants, we can see hibiscus, rose, so these have the flowers. So these are nothing but the angiosperm. So fertilization process which is there, so this fertilization process that takes place only in the flowering plants, not in the जिम्नोस्पर्म. ठीक है, तो हमें एक बात पता होनी चाहिए कि जिम्नोस्पर्म में फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव फ्लावर, and here angiosperm they have the flower and therefore fertilization, that is the formation of the zygote, that takes place here in this flowering plants. So in order to understand double fertilization, we first have discussed in the initial video the different parts of the flower. So you know, this is the part of the flower which is called as the female reproductive part, that is known as gynoecium. So here when it comes to gynoecium, it consists of stigma, style and ovary. When this gynoecium, on the tip of it, on the top of it, it receives the pollen grains. So there is male gamete in the pollen grain that comes from the anther. They now try to enter into this particular, try to enter inside and reach this ovary. So what happens? This male gamete, when they enter into this or try to enter into this particular passage of style, they are entered through a one tube which is called as pollen tube, and through this pollen tube, this male gamete, if you can see here, this red portion, this is the male gametes, they enter into this particular ovary. What exactly inside the ovary is? Ovary actually consists of so many embryo sacs together. Okay, so when this male gamete, they fuse with the relative ovary into it, it forms a sort of embryo. And if we look at the structure of the embryo, so this structure of the embryo looks like this. Like we have the different ovaries. So ovary has egg into it. So here you can see, here this is one of the egg. There are other supportive eggs that are present. And then there is this egg is present which has two different nuclei into it, and there is another which is called as antipodals. ठीक है, तो ये basic structure होता है embryo sac का. What happens? This pollen tube, this is the pollen tube. Through this pollen tube, when it enters, when this male gametes enters, this is the red one is the male gamete. They enters into this particular egg cell and they fuse this egg cell first. So when there is fusion of first egg cell, and therefore this first egg cell will make the zygote. ठीक है, so that is the process of fertilization, that is fusion of male and female gamete to form the zygote. So this is the first fertilization that occurs. And what happens? The another male gamete which comes inside, that fuses with the another nuclei or another say female ovary. So here this what happens? Here it forms a sort of nucleus that is called as endosperm. So ये एक zygote form होता है. ये एक zygote जो होता है वो endosperm बनता है. Endosperm is nothing but what? It is the protective say covering of the seed. ये seed के around एक cover बनता है और that provides the nourishment to the nourishment to the fruit which is there. So okay, so you need to understand this is double fertilization. कि double fertilization क्यों? क्योंकि एक को फर्टिलाइज करता है एक मेल गमीट और दूसरे एक को फर्टिलाइज करता है दूसरा मेल गमीट. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट न्यूक्लिया दैट आर फॉर्मिंग. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज ट्राइन्यूक्लियोइड, और ये ट्राइन्यूक्लियोइड जो होता है वो एंडोस्पर्म बनाता है, जबकि पहला जो फ्यूजन होता है वो बनाता है जाइगोट. सो दैट इज डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. डबल मीनिंग 2 एंड फर्टिलाइजेशन मतलब दो बार फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है. पहला जाइगोट बनता है और दूसरा फर्टिलाइजेशन जो होता है एंडोस्पर्म बनता है. सो दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.